Here's how to upload your resume to Glassdoor. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First of all, open glassdoor.com. It will look like this. Next, you have to sign into your Glassdoor account. After creating an account, the window will look like this. Now you have to select your job status, employed, not employed, or student. Select one of them. Next, you have to write your desired job title, for example, teacher. Then you have to select the job's location and click on the next button. Next, you have to select your desired industry and click on the Done button. So here is the final Glassdoor window where you can look for your desired job. Now click on the Jobs button on the upper bar of the screen. Here many jobs are posted by companies. I'll select the first job on the right side. You can see the details about the job. Make sure to read this whole description. You can also save the job to your favorite section. Now click on the Easy Apply button. It will open in a new tab. First, you have to add your contact information. Write your first name, last name, phone number, email, and then the city or state. And click on the Continue button. Here you have to upload your resume. Click on this button and select your resume file and upload it. It will look like this. Then click on the Continue button. You may be asked by some other question and make sure to answer every question in detail. Then click on the Continue button. You can review your application and then click on Submit your application. So in this way, you can upload your resume to Glassdoor.